For most woodworkers, power sanding is a necessary part of the shaping, smoothing, and finishing process. But none of us wants to sand longer than we need to, or spend more money on sanding discs than necessary because the abrasives just don't go the distance. Well, 3M has been on the forefront of abrasives technology for many decades, and now it's bringing one of its industrial abrasives, Cubitron 2, to the consumer market. Cubitron 2 is a hard ceramic that behaves like carbide. When the grains break, they expose a new sharp edge, resulting in incredibly fast sanding and exceptionally long performance. The abrasive, which 3M calls precision-shaped grain, is layered on the company's Xtract net backing that provides virtually dust-free sanding regardless of the hole pattern on your sander. Under a microscope, Cubitron 2 can be seen as a field of neatly triangular abrasive particles, all oriented vertically and distributed on top of the net backing for greater durability and keen cutting power. 3M reports that its Xtract Cubitron 2 sanding discs deliver twice the cut rate and dust extraction capability of other competing mesh abrasives. And for a dramatic demonstration of that claim, watch this. Xtract Cubitron 2 sanding discs are suitable for all 5 or 6 inch diameter sanders with hook and loop sanding pads, and they're made in common grits ranging from 80 to 320 grit. Even better, Rockler carries them in convenient multi-packs of various grits or in single grit packs. So, if you're ready to step up to industrial-grade abrasives that will enable you to sand more workpieces per disc with less dust and boost your shop productivity, why not give 3M's Xtract Cubitron 2 sanding discs a try? See them at a Rockler store near you, or learn more at rockler.com. I'm Chris Marshall with Woodworkers Journal Magazine and Rockler, and thanks for watching.